All right, I think we're live. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our morning note. Let me go ahead and move this screen a little bit because I know you guys can't see it. All right, you guys should be good now. What's up? What's up, everybody? Good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Happy Father's Day to all dads out there. Hope you had a really good Father's Day. Enjoyed your family. Probably had a couple of drinks. Enjoyed the grill. Some good weather outside. At least good weather here in Florida. So hope that all is well. All right, let's go over the markets as we know. Futures, Dow futures up 177. We did open on Sunday evening at 6 to the downside, I think down 200. Nice little comeback. NASDAQ futures up 75. Uh, kind of beating out the Dow here. We're flirting with 10,000 again. Evening futures 3082 right now. And the Russell 2000 index right now at futures, anyways, at 1408 of about 0.5%. So it's lagging behind the other indices. A couple of names I'm looking at. Obviously, we had the Roku calls that we talked last week. We are at 130.15. We're up about 1.75% pre-market. So that's pretty good. Again, 135 is the call. If we break above 132, actually, I think that we're probably going to get there today. I think we get a continuation. 132.17 is the level. I go ahead and place an alert there. If we break that, then we should be home and get that trade as well. The signal guys also got some Microsoft calls. They're up pre-market slightly, about a buck to the upside. So let's go ahead and go over a couple things. I want to go over some of the price upgrades that came in today and a couple of news headlines. Virgin Galactic signed a deal with NASA to develop a recruitment training program for private astronauts seeking to visit International Space Station. Go ahead and bring that up pre-market. Space is up about 17%. I do own that stock and I'm holding. I don't own any calls in it. We can obviously take a look at it and see space. Space does like to move, but I have an alert at $18. If we break 18, then we can go ahead and take a look at some calls. Walmart, UBS upgraded the retail giant stock to buy from neutral, citing greater productivity, fast growth in e-commerce, and acceleration in technology development. I own that stock as well in my portfolio. They are up about 1.4%. Walmart is not a great stock to trade in options. You just don't get that movement, but it is looking pretty nice. Let's see if we break 122. If we break, actually, you know what? I'd rather break 122.05. We break that, then we can go ahead and take a look at some calls as well. So some nice upgrades this morning. Some other news here. American Airlines announced that it will seek about 3.5 billion in new financing. The airline plans to sell 1.5 billion in stock and convertible notes, and 1.5 billion in senior secured notes, bonds, and will enter 500 million credit facility. United Airlines will launch a 5 billion debt sale this week, according to Bloomberg. We'll go over that pre-market. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that automaker had set September 15th as the new tentative date for its annual meeting, as well as its Battery Day event. Both had previously scheduled to take place July 7th, but postponed due to coronavirus pandemic. We'll take a look at that number, that stock pre-market. I believe they are down 0.5%. Still flirting with that $1,000 range, $1,000 level. DraftKings, the online gambling company, was ready to buy and new coverage at Jefferies, which feels the company's best position to capitalize the growth of digital sports wagering in the United States. We also bought that stock with our um, with our investment club, DK and G. We'll go and take a look at it pre-market, and they are up about 2% pre-market. Pre-market screener. Again, airlines are down. Uh, American Airlines down about 8%. United Airlines down about 4, about 5. Carnival down about 2.5. Norwegian down about 3. Again, the leisure names, the travel names are down. Delta's down. Boeing is down. Ford is up slightly. Gap is up a little bit on some headlines. Apple is up after that fall. As you can see here on my right side, we tapped about 333 and then we hit the 351. Again, obviously due to the closing of the stores. Apple's one of those buy the dip names as always. Let's go answer some questions. How come my cord is all gray? Is that normal? I just joined the team today. I don't know what your cord is, but if you have any questions regarding technical stuff, hit up our tech team, G.A.R Capital at gmail.com, and give me questions on that. Let's take a look at some of the names that you guys are asking about. Let's go take a look at Baba. Oh, Baba, we did play last week. It did fall a little bit. We're at 221, pretty much stuck in the range. In order to get to anywhere regarding the calls, you need to get to 226.70 or at least 225 before you do anything. And to break down, you need about 214.17. Let's take a look at NVIDIA above 370. It is above 370. It is kind of retesting that breakout level. You need to get above 378 before you do anything here. And Apple, yeah, Apple, I have an alert at 354. Break 354, we could take a look, but it looks like 357 is a tough nut to crack right now. So a little difficult, but again, let's see if we get continuation. Right now, my eyes are on Roku and Microsoft, as we see. So that's where we are. So a couple of names. I'm again, like I said, I'm looking at Roku and I'm looking at Microsoft. I'm looking at Apple as well. Let's see if I can bring this up. This is I believe the 100. This is the 100, so I'm gonna leave that at that. Let's see if I can edit this. This is the 200. Let me clear all drawings. I think I have way too many drawings here. That's why I have all these moving averages. Let's go ahead and clear. I can't clear the drawing set, so I'll just go ahead and remove study. Yes. Okay, that's done. Close the 50. Oh. Let me go ahead and close it as we go. Remove the study. And I believe this is the 200. Oops, cancel. I'm just going to change the colors here. I think one of my VPs were messing with the portfolio. So he was messing with the charts, which is fair enough. I don't mind. Let's see, added that study. We're going to go ahead and clear this to red. Red for the 200 as I like it. Okay. And I believe this is the 100. 100 I like it at a blue. And the 50, I do like a purple for the 50. So I'm going to go ahead and put that as purple on the 50. Perfect. All right, cool. Let's go answer some questions here. Alex is asking about Facebook. Let's go ask about Facebook here. Facebook, I still have the same alert, 241.75 for the breakout. Until then, I'm not touching that thing. What do you think about work? Lorenzo's asking. I have some 35 calls. All right, work is looking relatively decent. Seeking out of a straight up nice little trend line here. Just looking at it. Looks if we get to 34, you should be home. Let's see what we get on work, which is Slack, but it is up slightly, about 10 cents. So the opening bell should give you some movement. If you can recapture 34, 31, you should be okay there. Let's see. RC is asking about IWM. IWM, in regards to the Russell, they're up slightly, but nothing there to really play. Maybe break 142, and then we could start talking. But until then, nothing here. But it is always on watch. I love IWM to trade. Nasdaq calls, Nasdaq being the QQQs. Absolutely, absolutely. I went ahead and put an alert here, 246, 97, around 247. That should be the break of the recent high, which is the all-time high. And when we get that, then we can start taking a look at some calls. But until then, we really need to see the open before anything. Hope you guys have been liking and subscribing to our video because I definitely want to do another live. Definitely want to do it. I know you guys love that live and I want to do another one for you guys. So please like and subscribe, share our channel, try to get some more eyes into the channel. I've been doing more of the video stuff, working with marketing to try to get as much content to you guys as possible. So again, I'm going to work on a new podcast. Again, I just got to work on a subject matter for you guys. But I know you guys really love it, so that's what I really want to do is do more lives. If I can do more lives for you guys, that'd be great. Um, we'll go from there. Any other questions this morning? What are you looking at this week? Right now, I'm looking at Roku and Apple and Microsoft and Q. So those are kind of my main four. I know, kind of sticking with tech, but I want to really watch those names this week. I mean, it's just for today. I'm not seeing a ton of breakout levels or anything great to really want to push or break down at all. It really is going to be what we have this week or what to expect. So, I mean, expecting just kind of to chop. So I'm not really thinking of any kind of breakouts here. Um, keep in mind, guys, July starts earnings season. So again, gonna have to want to wait for that too. So I'm not looking to trade a ton. I do want to get those Roku calls that we called out last week, and I definitely want to get Microsoft that we had last week as well. I'm looking at Apple as well. Apple I do love to trade, and we'll see where we go from there. What time do you usually look at? Time frame, Cameron asks. I usually look at the hourly and the daily. So those are the ones I look at. The hourly chart. That's mine. All right, guys, I'll go ahead and leave it there. I'm going to catch up with my students here. Go ahead and leave you to it. Tuesday, catch you tomorrow. Morning note, 9 a.m. And make sure to like and subscribe these videos. I want to do another live with you guys. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever you want to say. Really do appreciate it on the YouTube channel. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow for the morning note, 9 a.m. sharp Eastern Standard Time. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Enjoy your Monday. Let's have a great week. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.